Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing. So in this video we will unbox the Vivo Y22, and this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo which is costing around 48,000 PKR in the Pakistan market, and the price of this phone is really high, really overpriced phone. So this phone has a 50 megapixel rear camera. This phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging. This phone is powered by Helio G85 SoC. We should see a MediaTek Helio G96 in this price range at least. Also on the variant I have is the 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage, and that's the only variant that has been launched in the Pakistan market. And the color I have is the Metaverse green color, manufactured in Pakistan. But still, the Vivo Y22 is a really overpriced phone. I don't recommend this phone in this price range. In this price range we have Redmi Note 11 or the Infinix Note 12. Now let's quickly unbox this phone. Let me remove the plastic. And Vivo is only brand right now in the Pakistan market that is launching phones with high price tags. So here is our device, Vivo Y22 in the Metaverse green color. So you can see. Now let's out the phone from this plastic. So here is the Metaverse green color looks like, and you can see. So on the back we have this, you can see in different lighting condition we have this lines and this boxy look. And the back it is made up of plastic. On the back we have a dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main with a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So the frame also is made up of plastic. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and the screen protector is already pre-installed. So let's see what else we get. And other than the phone, we have soft silicone case, quick start guide, and a warranty card. Also we have our charger, and guys, and this is a 18 watt fast charger. You can see does not have any 33 watt fast charging in this price range, which would be good in this price range. Also we have cable, USB type C to USB A. Also we have SIM ejection tool, so no hand-free inside the box. So now let's put all these things just to the side, and now let's look at the Vivo Y22. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, headphone jack. So on this side we have nothing, and on the top we have our SIM tray. So SIM tray is on the top. So it is a full SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. Also inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber. That's really good thing. And on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button in which we also have a fingerprint scanner of this phone. Again, this phone has a really beautiful design language, and that's the only thing I would say it is good on this phone. And other that, every single thing on this phone it is not acceptable in this price range. So this phone has a 6.5 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate, 720p with 60Hz in 48,000 PKR price range. Disappointment in this price range. Also we have water drop notch, no punch hole even, and the bottom chain it is also pretty big. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. So here's the first boot of the Vivo Y22. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a 720p IPS LCD display. And the display is, I would say, pretty bright for indoors, but in outdoors you should see issues with the display brightness. So now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. So this phone is running on Android 12, and you can see right out of the box. Also we have Fun Touch OS version 12. So we have 64GB of internal storage out of 46.09GB it is available for you guys. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging. We should see a 33 watt or a 44 watt in this price range, because the bigger brother Vivo Y35 has a 44 watt fast charging. So now let's look at the camera. So this phone has a dual cameras on the back. We have a main 50 megapixel main camera. Also we have a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So we also have a macro mode, so which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. It is not a depth sensor. So the macro quality is also completely trash. So we have a portrait mode, night mode, and let's see video recording size with the back camera. So back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. So in the mode section, we have 50 megapixel mode, live photo, slow motion. Now let's look at the front facing camera. So this phone has a 8 megapixel selfie camera in the 48,000 PKR price range. So the camera performance, it is decent, not that good, but it is acceptable. Night mode, it is also available. So let's see video recording size with the front camera. Front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner. And the fingerprint scanner, it is pretty fast on this phone. MediaTek Helio G85 in day-to-day task, and the performance looks pretty smooth. I did not notice any big lag that you expect. This phone is working pretty smooth, little jitters. So now let's talk about the battery size, and this phone has a pretty big 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging. 18 watt, it is not enough in this price range. We should see a 33 watt or 44 watt with this phone, but we have 18 watts. So a lot of things, it is really disappointing on this phone, not acceptable in this price range. This phone has a design language of the Vivo Y25 series, which hasn't been launched in the Pakistan yet. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y22. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.